How to connect BTG alarm kit. Step 1. Turn on the alarm keypad. You'll hear a sound indicating activation. Step 2. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for BTG-AK2 HD, and download the app. Open the app and tap the red plus button. Select Add Device. When the device is discovered, tap the Add button. Step 3. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password, then tap Next. Step 4. Turn on the wireless per detector. Step 5. Return to the app and tap the Accessories button. Then, tap the plus button in the top right corner to add a device. Ensure your router, mobile phone, and device are close to each other. Wait until the device is found. When the device and success window appears, tap Confirm. The detector will now appear in the list.